Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 80 centimeter and volume is 900 centimeter. Okay, let us find this one. First, let us write down given. Third one, given. Here they gave the area of cuboid. Area of cuboid 180 centimeter square, and then they have given volume of cuboid. Okay, volume of cuboid will be equal to 900 centimeter square. So here we have to find the height of the cuboid. So here we have to find the height. H is equal to question mark. Now this both are given. By keeping this one, we have to find the height of the cuboid. Okay. Now volume of cuboid equal to L into B into H. Okay. Now area of cuboid, formula of area of a cuboid is length into breadth. Okay. So here if you see this one, length into breadth will be equal to area of a cuboid. So here what I am going to do in the sense, volume of cuboid equal, instead of length into breadth, I will write area of cuboid into H. Okay. Now volume of cuboid is equal to area of cuboid into H, which is nothing but height. So we know this one and volume of cuboid and the area of cuboid. Let us substitute the values. So volume of cuboid is 900, which is equal to area of a cuboid is 180 centimeter into H. We have to find out, write the H as it is. Okay. So here it is in the form of a multiplication. If you shift it to the other side, it will become division. So 900 divided by 180, okay, which is equal to H. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Here 9 2s are 18. Here 9 10s are 90. Again, can we able to cancel here? Yes, we can able to cancel. So 2 1s are 2, and then here 2 5s are. Okay. Therefore, we got a H value is 5 centimeter. Okay, I hope you people have understood this one. Let us go for the next question. Exercise number 9.4, fourth one we are going to see it. Here the question is, a cuboid is of a dimension 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with the side of a 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? Okay, think the cuboid box, it is there. Small cubes of the 6 centimeter side should be kept inside the cuboidal boxes. This is the question. How many can be filled inside this cuboid? The cubes can be filled inside the cuboid. Okay. So let us start writing what is given. The fourth one, given they have given L into B into H directly. So let us write down directly that volume of cuboid. What is the formula of a volume of cuboid? It is length into breadth into height. Okay. So now let us substitute the L, that is 60 into 54 into 30. If you multiply this one, we will be getting answer as a 97,200 centimeter cube. We are getting the answer here. So please verify the answer and then later write down over here. Okay. Next one, the side is given. The side is nothing but it is 6 centimeter. Okay. So 6 centimeter is the side over here. So let us write down now volume of cube. What is the formula? That is side cube. Okay. That is nothing but 6 cube. So 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are, we will be getting 216 centimeter cube. Okay. Now required number of cubes is equal to, that is volume of cuboid volume of cuboid by volume of cube. Okay, what we got a volume of a cube, that is 97200 divided by, so here 216 we got it. Okay, let us divide this one. I'm going to divide over here. So here 97200 is divided by 216. So here so 216 into 4 will be getting 864. If you minus this one, we will be getting as an answer as a, so here it will become a 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, and then 6 minus 6 is 0. So if you cancel this one, it will become 6 and it will become 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 6 is 0 and then 9 minus 8 is 1. So if you bring this 0 down, so 4s are, and then if you bring this 0 down, here 216 5s are 1080. So it will become completely 0. Here 10 is left out, we can able to write 10 over here. 450 cubes is required to fill the this complete cuboid, that is 97,200 centimeter cube which is there. For that 450 cubes can be filled inside it. Okay.